Hey guys, so today I'm trying to work on several videos that I started a couple of weeks ago and then got sidetracked because of everything that has happened lately. You know, we lost our best friend, best dog, Rocky, 2 weeks ago now. 2 weeks ago now. We had him for 9 years. Anyway, then our house got struck by lightning. It fried our internet modem. It fried my 18-month-old dryer and all kinds of issues from that. So anyway, today I'm going to get caught up on everything. But what I want to talk about in this video is some differences I've noticed between DoorDash and Uber Eats deliveries, utilizing their app, and which one I feel is the better one to work with. I actually found some old footage that I shot back on April 22nd that I'm going to share with you today. We're going to talk about some reasons why you might want a gig job or a delivery job in this economy and who those jobs are great for. And as always, if you have a short attention span, I do leave chapters listed down in the description. So feel free to jump ahead if I start to bore you at any point. But stick around because at the end, I'm going to share some upcoming videos that I'm working on, and I need your opinions and advice. Hey guys, just wanted to give you an update on today's delivery status. It is another Saturday. Last Saturday was the day that it was really rainy and dreary, and I left at 5 a.m. and stayed busy all morning, just back-to-back orders. Today, it has not been that way. It's been very slow. I've had like 20 minutes between every order, and just as I was about to give up and go back home, that order started coming in, but still not back to back. I'm still getting like a 5-minute delay between orders. But the drop-off locations have not been far from the pickup place, so that hasn't been so bad. But right now, I seriously need a restroom break, and I have somebody's Cracker Barrel order with me, so I've got to get this delivered first.
Turn left to take the US 75 South ramp.
And I'm still 10 minutes away from their location. So I was so excited when the order came in, I just accepted it without looking, and it was like 25 minutes from the restaurant to the customers. So I'm kind of stuck at the moment, so I'm gonna have to pause DoorDash when I get done and take a quick break. But I did want to say that usually I have been telling everybody that Uber is by far my favorite. I get a lot more on Uber than on DoorDash, and they're easier to work with and everything. Today that has not been the case. I only got one Uber order all day long. I think this is my 5th or 6th Cracker Barrel order. So you figure I've only had like 6 or 7 deliveries for the whole day. It is currently 10:25 and I started at 6:30 this morning. So that is not a very good average for the day. And it's not a beautiful day either. I mean, at least it's not raining yet, but it is kind of chilly. It's dreary. Oh, good. I see a restroom up here, so I can hit that restroom on the way back. That's a good thing. Okay. So, one thing I wanted to say is that if there are any single parents out there that are needing extra income, these delivery gigs are the greatest thing for single parents, I think. I wish that this existed when I was raising my kids, because as a single mom of 4 boys, and I never really received child support or anything, I always had at least 2 jobs, if not 3 or 4. Like, I always had side gigs. I always had something on the side that I was doing to make some extra money. And this would have been so awesome because I could have taken the kids with me. They could have just They loved when the two little ones were young. We loved just going for rides, like just turning on our Christian music and just driving. And so I really think this kind of gig would have been
Continue for 2
awesome
miles.
when they were young because they could have just ridden along with me. I mean, I'm not talking about when they're little bitty. I wouldn't take little bitty kids with me, but tweens and teens, once they're old enough to like sit in the car by themselves for a minute while you run into a restaurant. Oh my gosh, I gotta pee so bad. This is crazy. I'm still 3 minutes away from the location. If you are interested in content creation or creating multiple streams of income, I hope you will subscribe to our channel because we've got a lot more to share with you. And if you are into gardening, home renovation, or homesteading, I hope you'll go check out our main channel, which is Second Mile DIY. We just purchased a homestead property and we've got a lot of exciting things happening over on the other channel. And I will link that right up here. Here are some of the videos that I'm currently working on, and I would love to hear from you what you would be most interested in watching. And if you have any other ideas, things that you would like to know, let me know those down in the comments. The first one I want to gear toward the people that use delivery apps. I think there's something that a lot of users of those apps don't understand. And so I would like to talk about that. But I need you guys' help. What is a good title for that would reach the people that actually use those services? Uber Eats, DoorDash, Instacart, all of those things. And then another video that I'm working on is going through how much I earned during the month of April doing side gigs. You might remember I did a video back at the beginning of April to talk about the financial issues that we were having and how I'm trying to make ends meet and get us out of this little slump that we're in. And I will link that video. I think it's up here, might be up here, whichever direction. I will link it so that you can check that out if you haven't seen it. Another video I want to create is about the Amazon affiliate program. I want to show you how much we have actually made using Amazon links over the years. It's not a lot, but I'll show you exactly how much we have made. Oh, and going back to delivery jobs or gig jobs, I do also want to make a video talking about the best time of day to deliver and why I think that. And then for all of you other content creators out there, I do want to talk to you and show you exactly how much Art and I have invested in equipment and courses and software, things like that, to start our channel and keep our channel going. And then I want to talk about what was worth it and what wasn't. So if anyone is interested in that, I'm going to show totals that we've spent and what we've made and everything. So it'll be a fully transparent video. So if you are interested in any of these topics that I mentioned, please let me know. Or if you think of others that I could talk about, let me know that as well. If you have title ideas, I'd love to hear that too. So I will see you next time. Remember to go the second mile today for someone in your life and with your resources. Love you guys.